This little patch of North Griffith was commonly referred to as Prendergast Hill, and this particular home has been in the Prendergast family for over 60 years. This is the very first time it's been offered for sale. Welcome to 24 Yalooma Street. North Griffith has an incredible reputation as a real estate hotspot. I'm standing on 1,400 square metres. That's almost double the average Kalina block, which is perfect for an active family or a developer wishing to subdivide. Do not compromise. If you're looking for a fantastic family home on an incredible 1,400 square metre block in a gorgeous location, then call me, Nathan Thomas from Griffith Real Estate. I can't wait to show you through.